At number 10, Justine Thornton, 39 Essex Street, London. She is on 10th number in our list. She was born in Manchester to Labour voting professionals, Margaret and Dr. Stuart Thornton. Her mother was born in Wales. She read law at Robinson College, Cambridge, and did her graduation in year 1992, after she was appointed as British Government on Biotechnology and the Environment Advisor. Later, in 2005 she was Attorney General's C panel. Earlier she is married to the former Labour leader Ed Miliband, has been named the Queen's Counsel in the latest batch of barristers awarded the title. At number 9, Kasia Sareva, Drea, Babic, Bukola, Wood and Kampora, LLP. Kasia Sareva is an attorney specializing in personal injury and wrongful death cases. She has dedicated her career to helping the injured and the most vulnerable members of our society. In 2010, Sareva was nominated for Attorney of the Year through COP, Consumer Attorneys of California, for her work in the Linville v. PSI, Incorporated case, in which she represented the heirs of a dependent adult patient who died days after her admission into a Sacramento acute care hospital. She was nominated for Woman Trial Lawyer of the Year. At number 8, Rachel O'Hagan, 39 Essex Street, London. Rachel is described as a barrister who understands the issues straight away and is sensitive to the client's needs. She acts in complex high-value construction and commercial cases and is familiar with different forms of commercial dispute resolution. Rachel acts as a junior and in her own right, and she prides herself on being approachable, commercial and client-focused. Rachel is a sought-after junior who has solid experience in construction litigation. At number 7, Mika Meyer, Morrison and Pfister. She completed her graduation from Boston University School of Law. Mika Meyer is one of the most sought-after patent lawyers in medical device, drug delivery and pharmaceutical fields. She is a partner at Morrison and Pfister LLP, where she practices patent law in the medical device and drug delivery fields. She's the youngest person ever to make partner at Morrison and Pfister. She is one of the most sought-after patent lawyers. She's recognized as a rising star by super lawyers. At number 6, Laura Bell, Diva X Chambers. Laura Bell, who, with her big brown eyes, attractive looks and warm smile, could pass as a gorgeous version of the gentle school teacher. She has been named as a leader in the field for employment in the 2014 edition of Chambers UK Bar Directory. At number 5, Camelia Jacobs. Jacobs Mediation LLC. Camelia Jacobs is a conscientious, highly skilled and fair-minded attorney who understands the intricacies of family law. Miss Jacobs began her career as a civil trial lawyer and negligence cases in the trial courts of the District of Columbia, Maryland, and Virginia. She is an adjunct professor at American University, Washington College of Law, from where she graduated. At number 4, Julie Selim, Selim Law Firm. Julie Selim has been associated with one company, according to public records. Although she grew up with an endless curiosity for science, when it came time for graduation, she knew that she'd want to study law as her attorney stepmother, whom she respected and admired. The decision paid off. She now runs her own Dallas, Texas-based Selim Law Firm. She is a licensed patent attorney and an experienced litigator in Dallas, Texas. The company was incorporated in Texas 4 years ago and is no longer active. At number 3, Amla Al-Muddin. She spot third on our list of most attractive lawyers. George Clooney's wife Amla Al-Muddin reportedly charges $750 an hour for lawyer services. The breathtakingly beautiful Miss Amla Al-Muddin, who represented the WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange in his fight against extradition. Miss Al-Muddin is a London-based, British-Lebanese lawyer specializing in human rights, international law, extradition and criminal law. She is a barrister at Doughty Street Chambers, and has represented clients in cases before the International Criminal Court, the International Court of Justice and the European Court of Human Rights, also in domestic courts in the United Kingdom and USA. At number 2, Shahid Fatima. For Muslims, Fatima is an inspiring example, and Fatima is one of the most popular girls' names throughout the Muslim world. With breathtaking beautiful eyes, calm smile and a delightful dimple, Shahid Fatima spots second amongst the most attractive women lawyers. She is a barrister at Blackstone Chambers, London. She graduated with a first-class LLB from the University of Glasgow, BCL from Oxford, and has an LLM from Harvard. In December 2007, she was awarded the Human Rights Lawyer of the Year. At number 1, Natalia Poklonskaya. Crimea's Attorney General Natalia Poklonskaya is top in our list and most attractive female lawyer in the world. She was born on March 18, 1980. After completion of law graduation in 2002, she began to serve for Department of the General Prosecution in Ukraine. Russian President Vladimir Putin appointed her Attorney General of Crimea. As an attorney, she rendered public service to Ukraine from 2002 to February 2014, working as an assistant district attorney. Her attractiveness and youth became the focus of attention of internet users after a video uploaded to YouTube at a press conference on the 11th of March 2014.